Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook account. So first, go ahead and open your Facebook app. And right here, you need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And now tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right of your screen. And I want you to go on the search box at the top. So tap right here and type here lock, and you will see no results in settings. So go ahead to search help center for lock. So tap this one, and right here, as you can see on Facebook help center, tap on lock your Facebook profile. And then right over here, as you can see here on the box, it says this feature isn't available everywhere at the moment. You can only lock your profile in certain countries. So right now, it is not available in our country. So you can check your Facebook if it's available on your country. So as you can see at the bottom, when someone locks their profile, only their friends will see the following photos and posts in their profile, their stories or new posts and photos. So you can go and check your Facebook if it's available, so you can lock your Facebook account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.